welcome back to an impromptu episode of Oppy Soup Kitchen. This was not planned. We were just making breakfast and I thought, well, let's make it a video. So we are doing toads in a hole this morning. I've already started this one because, as I said, there wasn't an initial plan. There's a piece of hair on there. There wasn't an initial plan to make this a video. So give me a second to finish this one and then we'll kind of come back at the beginning of the next one. Okay, so I have now made 2 of these and we attempted to film the last one, but Dad's camera was not recording. So we're gonna do this all over again. There you see the finished product. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's done. And so what we're gonna do, we need some cooking spray. We sprayed our little skillet, and this is our cheap skillet because, again, we have plans today, so we are not trying to take forever here. We're just doing a quick little breakfast. So I'm just buttering this bread, well, trying to butter this bread. It's not really going very well for me. I'm gonna take the lid to a jar. This is just a glass jar that had some pickles in it.
Why don't you just use the jar?
You think that'll work better? That'll be a smaller hole. I think the hole, this is better hole size. Okay, I'm going to push down to try and create a, every time it doesn't cut the whole way through. Just want to create a hole. Okay, got that. I'm gonna flip my hole there. I'm gonna flip my other piece of bread. Take an egg. Okay, well, the other 2 went off perfectly without a hitch. Oh, for God's sakes. Ah! Okay, hold on. Okay, all right, I got all the I swear, oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, well, whoever eats this one, they're, oh my gosh. There might be some shell in it. It's okay, it's calcium, right? Gives you extra calcium. All right. This is Oppy Soup Kitchen, friends. All right. Pepper, salt. I'm going to put some more butter. Oh, that's a lot of butter. Putting some more butter on this side of the bread. As we let it cook. I tried spreading it previously and it didn't really go well, so I'm gonna let it melt a little bit before I spread it. That's a lot of butter, actually. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so we're just gonna let this egg cook a little bit, and the trick is to make sure the bottom gets pretty solid. I swear, guys, the first 2 ones I made, perfect. It wasn't until the camera was on. Some leaves. We can add some leaves, some seasoning. This is camping, right? I'm gonna put that piece of butter right there. Oh, look at that. All right, so now, Oh, she ain't ready yet. She ain't ready. Look, I poked a hole in the bottom and now it's all dripping out. It's kind of like a science experiment. See it? Now I have to wait for it to solidify again, or else it's going to be a mess when I flip it. Okay, trying again. Okay, now we're gonna let it cook a little bit more. You can cook it as much as you want. We want these dippy, so I want it to cook, but I don't. Oh, look. That's shell right there, guys. Right there. Big old piece of shell. Yep. That's what's happening. I don't really think I can even... Well, she's cooked on there. I got a little bit of it off. Got it. Look, good, isn't it? Okay. Now, our hole is done. Look at this mess. Total mess. And we have, oh, that's really cooked. Listen. Let's just use this one as our success story. Toad in a hole. And then we take our piece of bread. Perfect dippy egg. If you want to see more chaos like this, like and subscribe to Oppy Soup Kitchen.